Hey friends, Ryan Dohrn here, your global sales coach. Hope you're having a great week out there in sales land. If not, drop me a note, drop me a question over here, ryan@ryandohrn.com. Love to share some thoughts and advice from all of you. All right, next question comes from Julie in Texas. She said, Ryan, love the podcast, been listening to it, and I'm just not exactly following you on your understanding of what a win would mean to a customer and how to use that in the sales process. All right, Julie from Texas. Love all my folks from Texas. Julie from Texas, this is what it means to me. Not that long ago, a sales rep was selling me, and they used this phrase, which I really loved, and that's why I mentioned it on the podcast. They said, Ryan, would it be a win for you if our software could do these 3 things for your company? I said, yes, absolutely, that would be a win. And I heard that, and I thought to myself, I like that. I'm going to use that in my sales life. So what I mean by that, and sorry if it wasn't clear on the podcast, what I mean is looking for scenarios where you can use the positivity of the word win, the charisma of the word win, just the forward nature of the word win, to figure out how to create winning scenarios for the customers that you're selling to. So you would say something like, Bob, if I'm listening correctly, if I'm hearing you correctly, we could create a win for you if our product, service, whatever, did these 3 things. Would that be a win for you? And for me, I love that. I love the way it's phrased. I love the way that it sounds. And that's why I'm using it a lot more in my sales life. So Julie from Texas, thanks for sending in your question to ryan@ryandohrn.com. Hey friends, head over to ryandohrn.com for more information. Check out the blog, podcast, and so much more. Love to speak at your sales conference. Have me out. I'm double vaccinated, ready to get back out on the road. And friends, I'm always here to help you. Drop me an email, ryan@ryandohrn.com. All right, friends, we'll see you next week for more Listen to Questions.